We're making light and fluffy scrambled eggs with cheddar cheese. There's no need for an extra bowl because we're mixing everything right in the pan, and they're ready to enjoy in minutes. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make these really easy, fluffy scrambled eggs, we're gonna start by shredding some cheddar cheese. So I'll just take a plate and then shred about 2 ounces of cheddar cheese onto it. Next, I'm gonna warm up my HexClad skillet to just under medium heat, and then I'll drop in about a teaspoon of butter. And instead of mixing the eggs in a bowl, I'm just gonna drop them right into my pan. And then I'll add 3 pinches of salt and add in our shredded cheese. And then I'll just take my spatula and mix it all together right here in my pan. So I'm just gonna keep my spatula upright, and then I'll just kind of work my way around the edge, and I'll continually move the eggs towards the center of the pan. And really the key is to keep these eggs moving, because that's gonna keep them from becoming overcooked and nice and fluffy. And the silicone spatula makes it really easy to push the eggs down from the sides. So I'll just keep going around the edges, scraping the eggs up off the bottom and into the center. And this will make sure they get cooked throughout. And as I push to the center, I'm also going to push them out from the middle. Well, now that they're holding together, I can tell that they're cooked on the bottom, but not quite on the top. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop underneath and just flip them over. And that will make sure that the top gets nice and cooked as well. And the key to fluffy eggs is not to overcook them. So we can tell that these are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat off and transfer these to my plate. And then we have these gorgeous cheesy eggs that we cooked in our HexClad pan. Those are perfect. And I love that they're made with clean, natural ingredients all in one pan. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I invite you to click on the link in the description below, which can take you to the full recipe and to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.